Hey guys, we are out for movie. Before that, we are going to have breakfast. Though it's a lunch time, but we are going to have breakfast. सो गायज आम कॅफे पावले आणि आम ऑर्डर केला पावभाजी मसाला आणि खाला चना पुरी आणि ते बरं आसलें खावपाक. आनी आमी थिएटरां पावले हे इंटिरियर भितरले आनी आमगे सुपर स्क्रीन 3:8 स्क्रीन आनी फर्स्ट आमी एक्वामॅन चोवपाक गेलोली. एक्वामॅन बरी हा मुवी.
Now I'm in my friend's store. He's always there when I need a lift.
How do you do? Okay. Second movie book for the donkey. Second movie donkeyचं पावलं कुठून. आणि मुवी बीच डिनर करपाक आयलें. Hi guys, आमी आयज 2 पिक्चर चोयले. First was Aquaman was good, interesting, and second movie was Donkey we watched आणि ती बरी आहलोली. Based on true story, the struggle लोक लंडन कितको येवपाचो दिता illegally तशें करून. So it was good. Hope I mini vlog like zal म्हण तुमकां. If you do like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.